Hello friends! Did you know that sometimes two letters team up to make one special sound? Yes, that's called a digraph. Today, we are going to meet some super letter teams: CH, TH, SH, PH, and WH. Get your eyes and ears ready because these letter friends are about to make learning fun and easy. Let's go! A digraph is when two letters work together to make one sound. Let's have a look at some examples together. Let's start with CH. When C and H come together, they make one special sound, chi, like in chair, chip, chin, chest, and cherry. Chair, chip, chin, chest, and cherry. Next up is SH. S and H makes the sh sound, soft and quiet, like in shack, shat, sheep, shop, and shell. Shack, shat, sheep, shop, and shell. Now we have the tricky one, PH. P and H makes the F sound, like in phone, photo, fez, phonics, fish. Phone, photo, fez, phonics, fish. Now we have TH. T and H makes one sound. Sometimes it's soft like, and sometimes it's hard like. Let's try them together. Thumb, this, thank, thick, and three. Thumb, this, thank, thick, and three. The last one for today is WH. W and H come together to make w sound, like in wheel, well, white, what, and whistle. Wheel, well, white, what, and whistle. Wow! Look at all these letter friends teaming up to make one sound. CH, SH, TH, PH, and WH. Digraphs are so much fun. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And thank you for watching. Bye!